Hi everyone! I'm heading to Baltic countries for 2 weeks this summer, so I'm keeping my packing light. In this video, I'll show you how to pack for a 2-week vacation using only our carry-on. Let's get started! Swap full-size toiletries for travel-size containers to save space and stay organized. Perfect for your carry-on and within airline limits. Research what type of converter you need based on the country you're visiting. Travel tips. Choose clothes that are easy to wash and quick to dry. Let me show you how to fold t-shirts and pants. First, grab both sleeves, fold them in, then fold the shirts in half twice, just like this, and you're done. This method keeps your clothes compact and easy to organize. You can fold dresses the same way as t-shirts. Just fold and roll it. After that, place all your tops and bottoms into an organizer bag and keep it snug. Bring a hair dryer with a compatible converter to avoid damaging it when using different outlets abroad. Always pack an extra charging cable. Include a foldable bag in your suitcase for extra storage. Place liquid bottles and tubes in clear plastic bags to prevent leaks. Put your shoes in a shower cap or bags to protect your other clothes. The bottom of the suitcase isn't even, so I'll make it flat by packing some clothes. First, I'll place a pair of jeans at the bottom, then put another pair of pants in the center fold, followed by placing a shoe on each side at the bottom. Then place the medicine case at the bottom to create a flat surface in the suitcase. Next, I'll pack the clothes cube at the bottom because it's heavy. Putting the heaviest item at the bottom helps stabilize the suitcase when you roll it. Then, I'll put the cosmetic and toiletries pouch on the top of the cube. The hairdryer and converter pouch will go on the very top of the suitcase. I'll place the hat outside the main compartment. And fit the umbrella into the outside pocket. That's it. I'm all packed.